Hello everyone! In this video we are going to do a very simple math problem, and you're going to be surprised that many of you are actually going to get this wrong. So I don't want you to use your calculator. Right here we have a problem. So here is a problem. We have 4 plus 4 times 4 divided by 4 and plus 4. So as you can see, no square, no parentheses, no like 4's power, 5's power. We have only addition, multiplication, division, and that's it. And they're all the same number. We have all 4's. Okay, so of course, a lot of students can say easily, I can handle this. This is basic, like 4, we have plus, we have multiplication, division. But a lot of students do this common mistake. So I don't want you to write your answer in a comment. What do you think about the correct answer? So let's check our math level. So we have 8, 12, and 16, yeah? Because obviously, whatever order you select is going to create a different answer, right? So we need to understand what is the correct order to do this problem, yeah? And then we can easily solve it. So this question is about order of operation. And then I show to my student the main popular order in the world. We have PEMDAS order right here, and we go from the top to the bottom step by step. And let's solve this correctly step by step with explanation. So first, we have the first step, parentheses, yeah? So do I see any parentheses right here? No, I don't see any. I don't see any of those. We don't have parentheses, yeah? So we just skip this part. So we just skip this first part. Then exponent powers right here. So I don't see any squares, cubes. I don't see any like 5 10's power right here. So we don't have any exponent. We have exponent 1, but it doesn't matter. We don't have exponents at all, yeah? So we just skip this first two part. We don't have any parentheses and exponent. What are we going to do next? Multiplication. But one really interesting and important moment, we need to see like multiplication, division as one group, yeah? So I rewrite this question right here. So we have 4 plus 4 times 4 divided by 4 and plus 4. So I have this question right here. And then multiplication division part, because we don't have the first two part, let's look at first. So we have 4 plus, so it does in our case. Right here we have 4 multiplying by 4, which is really great, and then we have division. So multiplication and division part we have right here. So this is our second, maybe our first step, because we don't do anything with it. So we have this first step, multiplication and division. And right now, really important moment, we need to go from left to right. And then doesn't matter if we have division first, then multiplication. Right here we have multiplication first, so we need to start with this multiplication. So 4 times 4 equal to 16, yeah? And we still have this division, so 16 divided by 4 equal to 4, yeah? So equal to 4. So our first step give us 4. And then the last step, addition and subtraction. So we have 4 plus from the beginning, and until the end in the end we have this 4. So main obvious thing right here, we just need to add these three values, these three numbers. So let's do this. 8 and 12, yeah? So right here we have 12. And this is our answer, option B. A lot of students do this common mistake. They start with addition. Yeah, it looks like 8 times 4, 32. So it looks like kind of different answer. Yeah, but we need to start with multiplication division in our case. Maybe we'll have like parentheses right here. Then we need to start with this. But with multiplication division part, we start with this step. So I hope you understand this explanation, and definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. Now, if you need to learn basic math, interesting brain test, IQ question, right? If you're struggling with basic math or like pre-algebra concept, you can easily subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. I definitely wish you all the best in your mathematics adventure. Thank you for your time and have a great day.